This is what a CRO or board sees on demand. The hero number is the implemented and approved ratio, the percentage of controls that passed evidence review, AI assessment, human sign-off, and promotion. Every point on this number is auditable. The domain bars show where governance is established and where the next review cycle should focus. What this chart does not show, what the AI thinks your posture is, or self-reported status that was never reviewed. The priority donuts cut posture by risk tier, P0 and P1 first, because those are the primary breach vectors and first thing a regulator will ask about. A separate surface for function owners and board-level readers, aggregated by function with concentration risk. How much of a function's control surface is not yet implemented, that is the number a CISO or CRO cares about in a board pack. Critically, the implemented tier here is exclusively promotion-derived, evidence, AI assessment, human sign-off. The other status counts are practitioner-tracked in real time, same as the controls workspace, so a function owner sees the full pipeline rather than only finished work. Only implemented is the governed number. For organizations operating under ADGMDPR, UAE-PDPL, or DIFC-DPL, data protection obligations are a parallel compliance requirement. Legal instruments, not controls. Halo models them as a separate entity type. A practitioner scopes each article in or out with a documented reason, and that decision is retained in the governance record. When a regulator asks, "Did you assess Article 18 of the PDPL?" the answer is here, not in a spreadsheet column. Two recent UX additions, both live in this build. 1. Reviewer login modal, a mutating action attempted without a reviewer session used to fail with a raw error. Now it pops an inline reviewer login required dialog. After authenticating, the original action retries automatically with no lost context, triggered only by the genuine auth gate. Validation errors keep their own messages too. Last 5 updates activity feed on the controls workspace, visible on the Step 2 slide. Recent governed outcomes with reviewer and timestamp, plus a sort by recently updated option on the controls table. What you have seen is one governance loop. A practitioner submits evidence and commentary. An AI agent reads the submission and proposes an assessment with a written rationale. A human reviews every proposal individually, accepting moves a control to implemented, rejecting returns it to needs review with the rationale visible. Approved truth updates the posture record and the audit trail is permanent. That loop runs for 60 common controls across 11 frameworks, UAE data protection and EU AI Act obligations, and imported framework gaps, all in one workspace, one audit trail, one governance model. And the output of that loop is the thing they saw in the auditor workspace, governed history, not a compliance score. Halo asserts, a tamper-evident record of who decided what, when, against which policy version, including the times a human overrode the machine and said why. Companies that expect to be examined don't buy speed to a certificate, they buy defensibility. That record is the defensibility. We are looking for founding design partners, organizations who want to run a real compliance program on this, and shape the product while doing it.